Hello, this is Liz with DC Digital, and today I am demonstrating our standard DC-25T-UP. So in this video, I'm going to first go over how to use it and then follow up with the hardware and feature specs. So this is just going to be used as a small count-up timer for someone's desk. And there are two push buttons on the top. One of them is going to be start and stop, and the other is going to reset to 0. So go ahead and push the start-stop button once to start it, and then push it again to stop, and then hit the reset to 0 button to 0 out the timer, and then you can start it again. Of course, if you stop it, you can always push the start button again to start it from where it was stopped. So right now it is showing seconds and tenths and hundredths of a second. After a minute, it'll show minute, minute with a colon, and then second, seconds. And then after an hour, it'll show hour, hour, colon, minute, minute. And then this does not come with any additional accessories. There are no big palm switches or anything. And the digit size on this timer is going to be 2.3 inch. And of course, red segmented LEDs. The case is powder-coated aluminum. And to mount the timer, there are 6 teardrop-shaped hole knockouts in the back. Or you can mount it on your desk with rubber feet. And the power is going to be 120 to 240 volts AC, then 50 to 60 hertz, and it's going to be a 3-pronged 6-foot power cord. And there are no connections that you need to make with this timer. You just have the 2 buttons right there and the power cord. And that's it for this timer. So all of our products are manufactured and assembled at our location in Carlisle, Ohio. So if you like this product and want to order it, or if you have any questions about how we can customize any of our products for your specific needs, please go ahead and contact us using the link in the description. So again, this has been Liz with DC Digital demonstrating our standard DC-25T-UP. Thank you.